too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over, over, over. Just tell me, mama, I'm trying to keep it in sober, sober, sober. Oh, simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. I keep stepping off all times I'm laughing over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself, thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long.
I saw that you make vlogs.
Yeah,
I need to watch them. I haven't.
the latest one's only like 10 minutes.
Oh,
Yeah,
It was like 30 minutes.
yeah, I know.
30?
I try to control the time.
30?
Yeah.
It's just for
Where are you going?
I have custom food.
You don't have more class?
No, I have one more class.
What time? 4? I'm going to pharmacy today. Oh, are you filming?
Hello.
It's like
Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one by one.
Hello guys, it's around 3 right now and I was supposed to have class during this time. I think it's 2:30 to 4, but like I think the professor canceled the class for this whole week, so like ended up I have nothing to do right now. So like just now I was studying with Linda at SLP, but like she's heading back to her dorm because like she feel kind of tired. So I'm just here like near the business building, which I'm gonna have class at 4, and I'm just like doing my assignment for consumer behavior. It's like a lot of reading. I feel like I should have like this kind of working time on campus more, because I always thought I'll like do my assignments and deal with like school stuff at my dorm, but like I always ended up procrastinating. So yeah, I think I should do this more, and I feel productive this way.
Okay, so tell us what's this again.
it's a Trader Joe's pumpkin spice cake,
Mm-hmm.
and I had it yesterday. A little disappointed, but like the frosting was really good.
Why were you disappointed?
I don't know, the cake wasn't like too pumpkin spicy.
Oh.
It just had like a faint.
Wait, this is kind of hard. Is this normal?
Oh yeah, it's
Okay.
probably also because it was in the fridge.
Yeah. I'm so excited. Oh my god. This is my first ever pumpkin spice flavored thing ever.
Yay!
It's actually really good.
Really?
Yeah.
You like it? Okay.
Like why does it taste like cinnamon?
Yeah, that's like it. I think it's like the spice of the pumpkin spice. It's like pumpkin mixed with cinnamon.
This is really good. Like, cause I liked cinnamon, so maybe that's
Oh.
why. Cause I only taste cinnamon. I don't taste pumpkin though.
Oh, yeah, it was like, it's more faint. Like, I feel like other pumpkin spice flavored things, like, you can taste more of it. We'll have to get you, like, something else.
We'll have to get you something else.
Yes. Something more pumpkin spice.
But this is really good.
That's good.
Oh my god, I love this. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm so glad. I was like, oh no, what if she actually hates it?
It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you're special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been so.
Going to dinner. We're gonna try a Taiwanese restaurant in Convey. Very looking for it.
Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, 'cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, yeah, to get me back to you. Yeah, yeah, to get me back to you. And I deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my witness.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new man. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
Morning, guys. I'm going to class right now. I think I'm about to be late. Better run.
And it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I
Hello， 大家，我刚写完功课，然后等一下4点还有一堂课，所以还要出门上课。但是我5点就下课了。然后回家之后呢，应该要来做一下攻略，因为我下礼拜要去 LA 玩，所以要来看一下要去哪里，跟怎么排行程。对。
Going to class right now.
wanna let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
I just got home and I'm really hungry right now, so let's make some dinner. But like, unfortunately, I don't have a lot in my fridge, so let's see what we can come up with.
I don't appreciate the change. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause I gotta know when to let.
Hey, next to rock like Mick Foley. It's Nick Joby, kill him softly, play that shit slowly. On the keys like Tony, throwing subs, they get toasted. About my bread like a hoagie. This beat ice cold, look how I ride this Zamboni. I feel like old Tiny, good anywhere you throw me. She eat a Chobani, cause her body getting bony. Late night, heavy scrolling, vape light, heavy smoking. We got our healthy habits, we been already growing. It's like we drowning in them, it seems the levee's broken. But it's not too late to change them. And refrain from being slaves to the vices that encage them. I'm writing on this page like I'm throwing hands with Satan. And run from all those demons, gotta stand your ground and face them. Sometimes you break, but through destruction comes a renovation. We all just trying to build a foundation. foundation. We all just trying to build a foundation. Yeah. Liquidity dry, I couldn't quit if I tried. It's been a ride through all the waves and the tides. Little emptiness inside from all them days with the guys. Try to mask it, but I know you see the pain in his eyes. All the lows and the highs, all the gray in the sky. Every reason I should throw away and swallow my
Show me on your
pride.
keychain.
All my life been like a permanent grind. I just deserving my shine, and you can't even tell until I push the curtains aside. Hey, and it's disturbing behind, but yo, y'all love to say it's worse in your mind. Still, I'm searching to find something that's bigger than a verse or a rhyme. Find your wings and then the courage to fly, cause we all just trying to build a foundation.
Thank you so
Just trying
much.
to build a foundation.
Show me your lanterns. Oh my god. Yay. Oh my god, you guys are so cute. Okay.
So you have to stay with your entire people. Don't turn away from the group either.
How did we get in there?
Oh my god.
I'm your president for this year. When you were talking about one guy and he's like, I can't get it.
Oh, nice. He's got that over.
What?